I joined TEC Mainland fully in 2019. However, I didn't join the workforce as I wanted to soak up on the word. That same year, I got a promotion at my then place of work, which had been delayed for over 6 years. In 2020, I desired a new job and had done a couple of interviews before the pandemic started. After the lockdown, I got an offer but was not led to accept. Fast forward to 2021, one of my instructions for the year was to join the workforce of the church. I signed up during the ministry fair and joined TechEye. I started getting calls for interviews. I had my eye on a particular company, but on speaking with the MD, he said they weren't hiring. I prayed with someone about it. He stated that God will grant my heart desires. Early in 2021, whilst the morning prayers was going on, I got a WhatsApp message from the MD of my desired company that I should call him. I immediately called, and his first question was how much I want to earn as a salary. I was confused and stated I would call him back. I consulted with my husband, and he said I should ask for what I wanted. I called the MD back and stated an amount almost 3 times of my current pay. The MD agreed and asked I forward my email address so the offer letter can be sent. I just want to return all glory to God as I got a job without submitting a CV or having a formal interview. It pays to work for God.